All right, it is Tuesday, February the 6th. Another massive day of work. So as they continue to they got everything formed out here ready for the footings. So we go inside, a ton of stuff happened. So they started on all the plumbing yesterday, and it has really come together today. A little pony wall where our controls will be. As you can see, lots of plumbing. And then the other huge thing that happened today was that our HVAC is starting to go in. So if you can see up there is the unit. Until in the rooms, they're starting to put the vents in. Lots starting to happen. Our space lift, they came out today and started on that. So that's our little elevator to take stuff up to the attic. So we got the initial hole cut here for it. So that will be going in. That's part of the stuff right there. Definitely a lot of progress today. See all kinds of stuff happening in here.
There's a lot of plumbing.
A lot of plumbing. Lounge, we got water for the ice maker in here. Yes, very exciting. And they got Laura's office door expanded out, so now that's ready for an 8-foot door. And I think Bob said that by the end of the week, our fireplaces will be put in.
The boxes, right?
The boxes, yeah. So there, and then of course out here. So definitely a lot happening. Very exciting.